Pizza sauce yun ah. Ibuhos mo na, ibuhos mo. Ibuhos mo. Ibuhos mo.
Okay, go.
Spread it. Circle daw, circle.
Ikalat mo sa buong.
Spread.
Hanggang sa malaglag lang po natin yung roasting or powder po ng pizza sauce.
Okay, spread.
I don't want it to be on the crust.
Man, wala nagpipicture kay Clark. Wala nagpipicture kay Clark.
Spread.
Uy pa ate, let's put this picture.
And you scoop this one. Scoop more.
Split lang. Picture ang kapag ako.
The rest, yeah, I scoop the rest of the pizza. Okay, picture of spread it on the the dough. Luis,
My girls spread.
spread to the edges. Spread. Nancy, ano din?
Spread na po ba lahat?
Spread.
Okay. I don't want it to be in the crust.
Yeah, but this one's not the crust part.
This one.
There we go. Okay, I have a full circle. Some got in. Some ketchup got in.
Yeah. Picture mo itong apa to.
Yummy. Angel. Some ketchup got in. Ketchup got
Then
in.
after po natin ma-spread na yung ating pizza sauce, next naman po natin yung ating cheese.
Cheese pala
Spread
una.
lang po natin siya ng
Cheese, yan,
circular.
cheese.
Outer to inner po hanggang sa malagyan yung ating buong skin.
Oh, what?
Spread lang po natin
Spread lang,
ang ating
spread.
cheese. Outer to inner
Spread.
po para iwasan natin
And then you eat your cheese.
misleading or center loading po.
Tapos, pwede po natin from outer to inner ang ating cheese.
From outer.
Outer
To
daw.
inner.
Yung mga gilid muna yun.
Yan, alat.
Yan, tapos papasok sa loob.
You put. You finish it all. Finish it.
Okay, that's a lot of cheese. Right? Why do they want us to pour all?
Very good.
Get more.
So, okay, all you have to do is to fill the pizza dough with peanut cheese.
Sarili na yan.
That's a lot.
Yung gitna, yun na. Yung gitna mo pa.
It's okay na.
That's okay?
It's okay. Scatter it. Okay, it's okay. In here around.
You can scatter it?
But don't use the hand kasi all the tomato sauce will go in your glove.
Apple, pineapple.
Pag-spread natin sa ating cheese, outer to inner din po natin siya lalagyan.
Make sure you put it in
Gilid muna yun. Kunin mo lang, may tubig yan eh.
Pag nakita
Oh, you
po
get
siya
one.
lahat po may toppings.
Sa may gilid muna
Make
ulit
sure
yun
you
na paikot.
evenly spread it.
Papasok. Yan. Sige, tama yan.
Go.
Ikalat mo. Paikot mo, paikot.
Which part doesn't have it. And then you put there.
Yan.
Pineapple.
Sarap.
Yeah, you finish it.
Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo.
Nice yan.
I made a smiley face.
You did?
Yeah. Look.
Mahulo na to.
Look, I made a smiley face. Did I make a smiley face?
Kinain ko. Kung kainin niyo, bebenta mo.
I think I want to go. I want it to be the best.
Here, there's another. There's last
Pero
one.
po. Sa gitna, sa gitna. Wag yung tubig.
Okay. Not the water.
I don't feel it on the inside.
Tapos yung mga space yun na doon mo lagay yung ham
I think
mo.
that's good. Maybe you can just
Hindi,
spread
yung ham
this
mo
one.
mamaya doon mo ilagay.
Pineapple.
Yes.
Ito ating pineapple.
You can spread it.
Next naman po natin is sweet ham po.
Ham.
Ayan, ham na, ham.
Lang din po sa pineapple.
Yan, sige, Kuya Pao.
Outside to inner din po natin siya ilalagay.
Oh, lahat ng may space lagyan mo.
Get I think one by one is good.
Yeah, later.
Or no.
One by one. Can you help me?
Oh, you spread it again. It's like
There, there.
Get off my gloves. Oh no. One by one. Already together. I put some on the pineapple.
Lahat yan, lalagay mo.
Oh, there's
Doon pa
space.
yun, oh.
One hand.
Nabangga ka? Ay, doon sa may taas, oh. Doon. Yan, yan.
There we go. There we go.
Huwag mo pagpatungin. Sarap yun, oh. Dito yun na, yun, oh, yung mga space, oh. Yan. Urong mo din yung ham mo na nandun. Hindi, ayun, oh, yun, oh, yun, oh. Yan. Urong mo dito. Ito, yung nasa...
Check lang po natin ha.
Okay, the chef will check.
Hindi lang na-spread ang ating